Hello, everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel today. Today, I have a job to share with you from Jack Henry. Jack Henry is a well-rounded financial technology provider serving community and regional financial institutions with a wide offering of capabilities. They strengthen the connections between people and their financial institutions through technology and services that reduce the barriers to financial help, with the purpose of empowering people and communities to gain the financial freedom to move forward. The job we would like to talk about today is a remote fraud support call center representative. And this job is a full-time remote job. The Jack Henry Fraud Center is part of the Consolidated Contact Center on Inbound Call Center that works remotely in a 24/7, 365-day environment. In this position, you will provide high-quality customer service in a fast-paced environment, assisting callers related to fraud issues on their debit, credit, and ATM cards. This can include lost or stolen cards, reports, and cardholder assistance. The starting pay for this position is at least $15 per hour and could be more based upon geographical location. Shift differentials are offered for qualifying shifts. If you are within 30 miles of the Monet, Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, or Elizabeth, Kentucky offices, this position will be based in office. However, if you are located elsewhere throughout the U.S., this will be a remote opportunity. And what you'll be responsible for: answering inbound phone calls for fraudulent, suspicious debit, credit, and ATM card transactions, assisting those cardholders according to policy and referring them to their financial institution when necessary, assisting cardholders and financial institutions with lost or stolen debit, credit, and ATM card reports, attending training sessions to stay updated on product or company policy changes, and may perform other job duties as assigned. And what you'll need to perform this position: a minimum of 1 year of customer service experience, customer facing or phone customer support. You must have the ability to communicate clearly and understandably, must be able to work a set assigned schedule in a 24/7, 365 call center that will include nights, weekends, and holidays. Training will be first 4 weeks and be a Monday through Friday schedule during standard business hours. You must have reliable high-speed internet service that is at least 20 megabytes download and 5 megabytes upload. It is suggested that if you have more than one individual using the internet that you increase your download speed to 25 megabytes. You must have a quiet, confidential workspace and be able to secure a backup quiet, confidential workspace in the event of a power outage or internet outage at your primary residence. What would you be what would be nice for you to have? Experience with payments and card processing, strong data entry background, ability to work well as part of a team environment and receive feedback from leaders to help improve metrics. And this is from the company Jack Henry. At Jack Henry, we pride ourselves through our motto of do the right thing, do whatever it takes, and have fun. We recognize the value of our associates and believe much of our company's strength and success depends on their well being. We demonstrate our commitment to by offering outstanding benefit programs to ensure the physical, mental, and financial well-being of our people is always met. You will be able to visit their corporate responsibility site to learn more about their culture and commitment to their people, customers, community, environment, and shareholders. Under their equal opportunity employment opportunity, at Jack Henry, we know we are better together, we value respect, and protect the uniqueness each of us brings. Innovation flourishes by including all voices and makes our business and our society stronger. Jack Henry is an equal opportunity employer, and we are committed to providing equal opportunity in all of our employment practices, including selection, hiring, performance, management, promotion, transfer, compensation, benefits, education, training, social, and recreational activities to all persons regardless of race, religion, creed, color, national origin, ancestry, physical disability, mental disability, age, veteran status, or any other protected status protected by local, state, or federal law. Also, Jack Henry goes on to say, no one will be subject to, and Jack Henry prohibits, any form of discipline, reprisal, intimidation, or retaliation for good faith reports or complaints of incidents of discrimination of any kind, pursuing any discrimination claim, or cooperating in a related investigation. And you are able to request the corporate job description at any time. In order to apply for this position, you will apply here, and it will take you to this screen where you can copy and paste your resume, or you can upload it from your computer. And then, or log in if you are already registered. The next screen will be your personal information. Name, address, city, state, zip, and remember to always answer every question with the red asterisk beside it. After that, you will click continue and go on to compliance. And after your compliance screen, you will go to job specific questions. And the next screen is set up your password. Thank you for joining me today. And if you found this video of value, please give this a great thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities. And have a great rest of your day.